In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 very common English mistakes and how to fix them. Before we start, get your free English grammar booklet from the video description, and let's get started. The first mistake is about think and thinking, feel and feeling. And this is quite complicated, but there are some rules. So let me explain. Think can mean 2 different things. The first meaning is about opinions. So I think this restaurant is very good. That's my opinion. The second meaning is the action of using your brain to produce thoughts. Please be quiet. I am trying to think. So in this sentence, it's not about opinions, it's about the action of using your brain. So now, the first meaning, opinions, we can't use think with ing. So we can't say, I'm thinking this restaurant is good. We just need think. I think this restaurant is good. But when we talk about the other meaning, the action of using your brain, we can use it with or without ing. I need to think about buying a new car. So I need to do the action of considering it in my head. I am thinking right now, so I need to concentrate. So I am using my brain right now to create some thoughts. Now the word feel is a little bit different. It also has 2 different meanings. To feel can mean a sensation in your body or in your mind. I feel happy. It's a sensation in my mind. I feel sick. It's a sensation in my body. I can use it in the present simple, I feel sick, or with the present continuous, I am feeling sick. But the word feel can also mean to have an opinion, just like think. And when we use it with that meaning, it has to be without ing. So I feel we should leave now. That's my opinion. Now, the second mistake I want to talk about is not only she speaks French, but she also speaks Italian. So after the phrase not only, we need inversion. So we need to say not only does she speak French, but she also speaks Italian. Does she speak French? It looks like a question, but it's not a question. It's just something we have to do after the phrase not only. And the final mistake, I'm used to get up early. That's incorrect. To be used to something means that you are accustomed to something. It is part of your everyday life. It is part of your routine. I am used to the noise because I live in the city center. So I am used to it. So we can have a noun after I am used to, like I'm used to the rain, I'm used to the noise. But we can also have a verb with ing. I'm used to driving. I'm used to getting up early. This is very different from I used to, which means something completely different. And if you want to know about I used to, I have a separate video about it, which I have also linked in the video description. So don't forget to watch that and get your free English grammar booklet from the video description as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!